All right, so in that last section, we got our image in place. Now we're going to take the comment that we generated right here and copy and paste it down 2 times to put 2 more comments in. Now, as you might imagine, this is going to turn our app component into a little bit of a mess of JSX, and it's going to look a little bit challenging to understand at first glance. But after this process, you're going to quickly understand why we like to make reusable components. Now, to duplicate this comment, I'm just going to find the div with the class name component right here, and I'm going to highlight everything down to the closing div tag for that comment. Now I'm just going to copy this thing and paste it underneath 2 times. All right. So now I can just save it and flip back over to the browser, and we're going to see that we have 3 comments. Of course, if we want to, we could go through and change the name and the time and the actual blog content on there as well, but we're going to have to do this in just a moment anyway. So, what if I told you to go and find the second comment and edit the title? Well, you're going to have to scroll through this thing and try to understand what you're looking at. By just duplicating all that JSX inside of a single component, we end up with a little bit of a mess. And it tends to be rather challenging for us to, make any updates to the app component. So let's take another break right here. And when we come back in the next section, we're going to talk about how we're going to refactor this thing so it's clear, understandable, and great for you to code.